Just going to give a brief view of this watch. This is the nicest pocket watch I've got for sure. This is a rattrapante, which is a split-second chronograph. So give the button a push. You see it start to spin around. Give it a second. Stops everything. Resets it. Let's give it a go again. This time we're going to hit the button right here. That splits the two timers. Then to catch it up, push this button again. Stop it all. Reset. Go, split. You can stop it like this too. Reset. Of course, it's also a repeater. Minute repeater. So what you just heard was one stroke for 1 o'clock, the double stroke for 15 minutes, and then another stroke for 16. Take a look at this movement real fast. 14 karat Swiss. Another gorgeous movement. Fantastic shape. That's the monogram. Looks to me like AEM. I don't know who it is, probably turn of the century. I wish it were Amelia Earhart. Her initials were AME. Who knows? Cool watch.